switching to manual focus, and it stops. Well, if I focus, you have a focus on, but there is no other sound, whatever that is. So switching back to single autofocus. And the same if I switch to manual exposure mode, it also stops. Or keep it in a priority and single autofocus, and we can lock exposure. So now I'm locking, half pressing button, shutter button. It also stops. Weird, right?